Hey, it's Brent from Moonstream Crypto. If you're watching this video, you've just grabbed my Privacy Coin Profits Report. Smart move. You now understand why privacy coins are exploding and why this sector is delivering 100% to 400% gains while the rest of crypto struggles, and why Q1 2026 is the critical window. But here's the thing. Understanding the opportunity and capitalizing it are two very different things. You already know that privacy coins are hot, but if you don't know which coins to buy, when to enter, where to set your stops, and how to take profits, you'll still lose money. Or worse, you'll make some gains but miss the real explosive moves that turn $5,000 into $50,000. That's why I created this special video training. Look, I've been trading crypto since 2018. I've seen thousands of traders make the same mistakes over and over again. Mistake number one is they chase pumps. How many of you guys have done this before? They see a coin up 200% and think, I need to get in, buying at the top. They buy the top, then watch it crash 50%. Mistake number two is they buy the wrong coins. Not all privacy coins are created equal. Some will 10x, others will bleed. They can't tell the difference. Mistake number three is they have no exit strategy. They get into a winning trade, watch it go up 50%, then give it all back because they don't know when to take profits. And mistake number four, they don't manage risk. The no stop losses, over leveraged positions, one bad trade wipes out months of gains. Can you guys relate? Mistake number five is they miss the best opportunities. While they focused on the 3 to 4 obvious privacy coins, the real explosive moves are happening in coins they've never heard of. Here's the brutal truth. Most traders will read my Privacy Coin Profits Report, get excited about the sector, buy a couple of coins they've heard of, and completely miss life-changing gains. Not because they're stupid, not because they're lazy, but because they don't have a system. They don't have the charts, they don't have the entry zones, the profit targets, the watch list, the technology. They're flying blind. And that's exactly why I created Privacy Coin Profits, the video special report. This isn't just another crypto course with generic advice. This is my exact playbook. The same analysis I use with my own money. The same coins I'm buying right now and recommending to my $7,500 mentoring clients. The same entry prices, stop losses, and profit targets I'm using to navigate this explosive sector. In this brand new special video report, I'm going to walk you through my top 10 privacy coins for 2026. Not just names, but full chart analysis for each one. The exact entry zones, the specific price levels I'm targeting or already in. Precise stop loss levels, where I'm protecting capital if I'm wrong. Multiple profit targets, where I'm taking partial profits and where I'm holding for maximum gains. The technical setups, support, resistance, breakout triggers, momentum indicators, it's all there. The fundamental catalysts, what's driving each coin and when the catalysts hit. Risk-reward analysis, how to size positions properly based on your portfolio, and my complete top 20 privacy coin watch list, including microcaps most people don't even know about. These could be the next big winners. Plus, a special TradingView link. Install my entire watch list directly into your TradingView with one click for easy monitoring. But most importantly, I'm revealing my number one conviction play, the one coin I'm allocating the majority of my portfolio right now. Let me tell you about this coin, the technical setup. I've been watching this chart for 3 months. It's been in a textbook accumulation pattern, smart money quietly building positions while retail isn't even paying attention yet. The breakout level is crystal clear. Once it breaks, there's minimal resistance above, so the path to 60% gains or more is wide open. Volume is building, momentum indicators are turning bullish, the spring is coiled. And the fundamental catalyst, there's a specific event coming in the next 2 to 4 weeks that will drive massive attention and demand to this coin. I can't say more without revealing which coin it is, but trust me, this catalyst is real and it's imminent. The relative valuation, compared to its peers, coins with similar technology, similar use cases, this coin is trading at a 60 to 70% discount. The market hasn't recognized its value yet, but it will. My projections, short term, next few days to 2 weeks, I see a 60% plus move is highly probable once the breakout confirms. Medium term, 4 to 8 weeks, probably 2 to 3x potential as the catalyst plays out and momentum builds. Long term, Q1 to Q2 2026, 5 to 10x is not out of the question if the sector continues its explosive run. This is why I'm going all in. Not 5% of my portfolio, not 10%, the majority. This is a conviction play, the kind of opportunity that comes along once or twice in a market cycle, and I'm going to show you the exact coin, the exact chart, and the exact entry strategy in this video training. Here's exactly what you're getting in the Privacy Coin Profits video special report. Module 1, my number one top pick. I'm going to spend about 20 minutes on that, showing full chart analysis with chart support, resistance levels marked, and the specific catalyst and timeline that I see this coin playing out. Exact entry zone that I'm targeting, stop loss placement strategy, 3 profit targets, conservative, moderate, and aggressive, position sizing recommendations, and why this setup is so compelling. Module 2, top 10 privacy coins, complete analysis, about 45 minutes. For each coin, you'll get current chart analysis with key levels identified and shown on the chart. Recent performance and momentum assessment that I'll do personally. Upcoming catalysts and events. Entry strategy, buy now versus waiting for a pullback, as well as stop loss and profit target recommendations on these other coins. Risk rating, conservative, moderate, and aggressive. My personal position and allocation. These coins include established leaders like Zcash, Monero, and Dash, but also emerging contenders like SCRT, Secret Protocol, Pirate Chain, DUSK, and Horizon. Spoil the surprises just yet, but in Module 3, I'll talk about the complete privacy coin watch list and spend about 15 minutes on that. My top 20 privacy coins ranked by opportunity. Microcap gems most traders don't even know about yet. Plus coins to avoid despite the hype. How to monitor for breakouts, plus alert strategies so you never miss a move. Also, the TradingView installation link. One-click installation of my entire watch list into your TradingView account. It's just that easy. You'll see exactly what I'm watching with all the coins organized and ready to monitor. In Module 4, we'll talk about risk management and position sizing, how to allocate capital across multiple privacy coins, also the rocket breakout strategy for balancing risk and reward. No one else has this. Plus when to take profits and how much, how to let winners run while protecting your gains, and common mistakes and how to avoid them as well. In Module 5, we'll talk about macro analysis and the sector outlook, how regulatory developments will impact privacy coins, the Ethereum Foundation's privacy push and what it means for you and the sector, institutional interest and capital flows, plus timeline for the sector rally and when does it peak, how to know when to exit the trade, plus a bonus Q&A session where I'll answer the most common questions, like what if I miss the entry on your number one pick? Or how do I buy privacy coins if my exchange doesn't list them? Should I hold through volatility or take profits now? What's your exit strategy for the sector and more? This is everything you need to capitalize on the privacy coin explosion. It's not theory, not genetic advice, it's my exact playbook, my actual positions, my real strategy. Remember, we called this trend on October 31st, 2025, when Zcash was still climbing from $30. When most analysts were ignoring privacy coins altogether, when the mainstream narrative was focused elsewhere, here's what happened next. Zcash went up 10x from September lows to November highs. Pirate Chain went up 251% in 3 days recently. DUSK went up 420% in 4 days just last week. Dashcoin went up 137% in 1 week. Monero XMR went up 164% in Q4, while Secret went up 70% in 6 days this week. Our subscribers who acted on my early alerts, they've already potentially made portfolio changing gains, at least the ones that acted on my timely recommendations. This isn't luck, this isn't hype, this is systematic analysis that identifies trends before they become obvious. And now I'm giving you the complete playbook for the next phase of this rally. But here's what you need to understand. This window is closing. Every day that passes, privacy coins move higher, entry points disappear, risk-reward ratios deteriorate. Just in the last week, SCRT went up 70% in 6 days. Multiple coins breaking out, sector momentum accelerating. We're transitioning from stage 2, early momentum, to stage 3, parabolic FOMO. Stage 2 is where smart money positions itself. Stage 3 is where retail chases pumps and buys tops. Right now, we're still in stage 2, but just barely. My number one pick hasn't even broken out yet. The entry is still clean, the risk reward is still asymmetric, but that could change this week. Once the breakout happens, once the 60% move starts, once momentum traders pile in, the easy money is gone. You'll be buying higher, chasing, fighting FOMO, so don't let that happen. Get the complete playbook now. Position yourself before this parabolic move. Strike while the iron is hot. Here's what you're getting in this video report. 90 plus minutes of detailed video training. My number one conviction play, full chart analysis, entry strategy, profit targets, plus my top 10 privacy coins with complete breakdowns for each one and their charts. Top 20 privacy coins on my watch list. My top 20 privacy coin watch list, including microcap opportunities, setting up for the next big move, plus trading view installation with one-click setup, risk management strategies, position sizing, stop losses, profit-taking targets, macro analysis, sector outlook, and timing. Q&A session with common questions answered, plus a bonus, access to the CoinMarketCap full privacy coin list. A direct link to explore all privacy coins, including microcaps. Plus, bonus future updates. If market conditions change significantly, I'll send you updated analysis. Now, what's this all worth? If my number one pick delivers the 60% move I'm projecting on a $5,000 position, that's $3,000 in profit. If it hits the 2 to 3x medium-term target, that's $10,000 to $15,000 from one trade. What about the other 9 coins? If even half of them deliver 50 to 100% returns, as we've been seeing lately, you're looking at 5-figure gains. Potentially 6 figures if you're properly capitalized. So what's access to this playbook worth? $500, $1,000 more? I'm not going to charge anywhere near that because I want this to be a no-brainer decision. Your investment today is just $97. That's it, $97 for my complete playbook, my exact strategy, my exact positions, less than the cost of a nice dinner out for information that could generate 10x, 20x, even 50x that amount in profits. And you can get it for 50% off today before I raise the price to $197 for good. And look, I'm so confident in this training that I'm going to make you a guarantee. Watch the entire video, review my top 10 picks, see my number one conviction play. If you don't believe this is the most actionable, detailed, valuable crypto analysis you've ever seen, if you don't think it's worth at least 10x what you paid, just email my team within 30 days and we'll refund every penny. No questions asked, no hard feelings, you risk nothing. Either this training helps you capture explosive gains in the hottest sector in crypto right now, or you get your money back. Pretty easy. I can make this guarantee because I know the value of what I'm sharing with you right now. I've been doing this for years. I called the trend in October. My analysis has proven accurate again and again. This works. Let me be brutally honest with you as well. You're at a crossroads right now. You've read the Privacy Coin Profits Report, you understand the opportunity, you know privacy coins are exploding. Now you have to decide, path number one is you invest $97 in this training, you get my complete playbook, you position yourself in my top 10 picks with my number one conviction play as your core holding, you execute with confidence knowing exactly where to enter, where to set stops, and where to take profits. Over the next few weeks and months, you'll watch as your portfolio grows. 60% here, 100% there, maybe a 3x or a 5x on one of the microcaps. You'll bank life-changing gains potentially in this program, and you'll look back at this moment at the decision that changed your financial trajectory. Path number 2, you don't invest the $97. You try to figure it out yourself. You buy a couple privacy coins you've heard of, probably at the wrong prices or at the top. You have no exit strategy. You watch some coins pump without you, and you buy others at the top. You make some gains but miss the real explosive moves, and you watch other traders, the ones who got the playbook, celebrate their wins. And you wonder, what if? So which path do you want? The choice is yours. But understanding this, doing nothing is a choice, and it's the choice that guarantees you'll miss this opportunity. So here's what you need to do right now. Click on the button in this video. Step 2, complete your order for $97. Step 3, get instant access to the complete video training. And step 4, watch my number one pick analysis first. It's the most time sensitive and about to break out. And then step 5, review the other 9 coins and decide which ones fit your strategy. Step number 6, install the TradingView watch list with one click. I've done all the work for you. Step 7, execute your trades and position yourself for explosive gains. Privacy coins are the hottest sector right now in crypto. Look, I can't make you act. I can show you the data, I can explain the opportunity, I can reveal my exact strategy, but I can't click the button for you. That's on you. What I can tell you is this. Privacy coins are the hottest sector in crypto right now. The catalysts are real, the momentum is building. Q1 2026 is the critical window. And my number one pick is poised to deliver 60% plus gains in the next few days to weeks and higher. You can position yourself now with my complete playbook. Or you can watch from the sidelines as others bank explosive returns. In horse racing, you don't rotate the stable, you race your best horse. Privacy coins are the best horse right now. The race has started. The horse is pulling ahead. Get on board before it's too late. Click the button below. Invest $97 in your financial future. Trust me. Get the complete playbook. Strike while the iron is hot. This won't happen again. There's only 1 or 2 opportunities like this every year in every cycle. So I'll see you inside the training. This is Brett Fogel from Moonstream Crypto. Let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet.